So I'm going to take you under the microscope here, and we're going to do a little demonstration on at least one aspect of the Henson, which is the blade support and why that leads to a very smooth shave. So let's head in. Okay, so here's just a quick side-by-side that just shows the Henson versus, your typical safety razor. And now I'm going to push on the blades here, and you can see just how little tension there is on the blade. Now compare that to the Henson, where here I'm pushing significantly harder on the blade because I know it's barely going to move. But you can just see just how much tension there is on the Henson blade and how well it's supported. So you have to remember your hair is pretty hard. So when you're shaving, every time your blade comes in contact with the hair, it does this sort of digging and catching motion. If you ever tried to dry shave, it's not fun. So we do everything we can to soften the hair. But even then, it's still kind of difficult and it's still a little tough. So this razor, every time it meets any resistance, it just cuts in and it digs and it bites because there's no blade tension, no blade support. So now let's compare that to the Henson. And you can see it just glides along the surface there. And this is sort of like why we say the design makes a difference. So as it shaves, I push a little harder here. And you can see it's removing material, but it doesn't give you that nasty frayed edge. It's very clean. It glides. It can't bite and dig into your skin like that. And so that just, gives an incredibly smooth shave.